My name is Ann Beatty, and I live in a section of Los Angeles called Eagle Rock. Novell Remodeling tore up all my grass and put down turf. It's beautiful. I have 3 large dogs, and they were just bringing mud into the house endlessly. One of the things I was most impressed with Novell was the way they did the edging, where they cut around plants and rocks and a very big tree, and they really made it really looks exactly like grass. I was very happy with the work, with their dedication and their punctuality. I would definitely recommend Novell Remodeling to anyone who thought of doing this. In fact, I already have recommended Novell to 2 people. So I'm just very, very pleased with the work that was done. Novell did a wonderful job.